After setting these numbers, if you need to weigh a few bags, several bags, then you see if it's accurate or not. If it's not accurate, if let's say if it's a little bit more or a little bit less, then you can change the setting of SP3. The same press set, enter password, press enter, press enter. If it's not accurate, then you can adjust this number. Maybe change a little bit smaller number or a little bit bigger number. Then press this one to change the setting. Like this. Again, you press this one, you will see right now it's weighing 30 kilo. The target weight is 30 kilo. Then you press again. You see each scale is 30 kilo. Then press again. This is the scale A. SP1 of scale A is 20 kilo. Means fast feeding. Fast feeding. Then press this SP2. Medium feeding of scale A. Then press again. This is the slow feeding, 0.1. Then press again. This is the scale B, SP1 20 kilo, same finger. Near zero weight. Then return.